Good morning. Welcome to the online video tutorials of Sai Vidya Institute of Technology for the subject software testing. Today we will be discussing about the topic identifying the test cases. Yes. So here we have two fundamental approaches to identify the test cases. Among them, first one is functional testing and second one is structural testing. What is functional testing? This functional testing, it is based on the view that any program can be considered to be a function that maps the values from its input domain to the values in its output range. So here we consider the system as a black box. So input will be given and we will be testing the outputs. Here we need not bother about the implementation part of the program or the system. So that is what we call it as a functional testing. So we will be giving the inputs by looking into the test cases and we'll check the outputs. So this kind of testing we call it as a black box testing. Why? Because we are not aware of the implementation of the system. So it is called as a black box testing. So this type of black box testing is also known as a functional testing. And here the advantages of this functional test cases, writing this functional test cases, is that since you're independent of how the software is implemented, so if the implementation changes also, then the test cases are still useful here. Then the test case development can occur in parallel with the implementation. So these are the two advantages of functional testing. And coming to the disadvantages of this functional testing is that you can suffer from two problems. The first one is significant redundancies among the test cases. Why? Because you don't know about the implementation part. So randomly you will be writing the test cases looking into the specification. So there may be chances that those test cases may be repeated. So that's what there we can have the redundancies of the test cases. And second thing is there is a possibility of gaps of untested software also. So for this you can consider the figure which is shown here, which is comparing the functional test case identification methods. So there are two test cases, two test case methods are there, method A and method B. So here in method A, by looking into the specification, you have written the test cases. So that is what functional testing. So here, whatever the features that have been mentioned in the specification, all those features are not implemented. So that is the set which is representing the program set. So here the specification, off of the specification only it has been implemented, but the test cases you have written by looking into the specification. That is what it is shown in the method A. Then coming to the method B, here you can see that specification set is there, program set is there, and a test case set is there. So here you can see that a less number of test cases have been written by looking into the specification, but the off of the specification, the features which have been mentioned in the specification, so all those features they might not have been implemented over there, but you have written the test cases because you are looking into the specification, because you don't know about the implementation part. So this is about the this is how you can compare the functional test case identification methods. So what is functional testing? Functional testing, it is a type of testing where you will be mapping the values from its input domain to the values in its output range. So you consider the system as a black box here. In the sense, you will be giving the inputs and you will be checking the outputs. You will be testing whether the system is showing the behavior as it is expected or not. Okay, so you are not bothering about the implementation part. In the sense, you are not testing the code here. Okay, so that is what we call it as a functional testing. Since you are not aware of the inside of the system, that is you are not aware of the implementation part, we call here the system as the black boxes. So this functional testing, it is also called as a black box testing. Thank you.